Becky.
And I'm Garrett.
And we're with Nagios. And today we assembled creativity kits for MVNA. That's the Minnesota Visiting Nurse Agency. They do home visits for mothers who have high-risk pregnancies. They go into the home and there are other children. The children receive a creativity kit.
These creativity kits are often supplies and coloring books, crayons, stickers, things that they wouldn't normally have.
Yeah, so we're really excited. We're looking forward to getting involved in many different areas within the community, but super proud to help support the MVNA.
Absolutely.